So speedrun, doing more speedruns this morning. So we're on 4.7. I wonder how many different problems there are in 4. So 4.7. Oh, there's not that many. Let's see if I can finish it in the next one. Okay, so 4, number of zeros. Given n numbers, the first n number in the input is n. After that, n integers are given. Count the number of zeros among the given integers and print it. You need to count the number of numbers that are equal to 0, not the number of 0 digits. Okay, I think I get that. So I'm going to use my loop. So n. So I'm going to call this sum of count of zeros. So we're not summing. Count zeros. I just count when I make variable names. You're not allowed spaces in variable names. So there's 2 things you can do if you want variables to have more than one word. You can use an underscore like that, so count zeros, or you can use something called camel case, which just means that you just make every separate word start with a new capital letter. So my count zeros is going to be 0. So for I in range n plus 1. So do I start at 0? No, I'll keep it simple. So for I in range n, so this is going to loop n times, which I think is what this says. So this says loop 5 times, and then it gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, and then I want to say something like if if int input, if that is equal to 0, that's what we're asking, right? If we're counting the number of zeros, then count zeros equals count zeros plus 1. Now, it should work, but there was actually, I always write it out in full because I think it makes more sense and it makes people understand my code a little bit easier. So if I run this now, if I say I'm going to put in 5 numbers, I put in 0, 4, 5, 6, 0. There are 2 zeros. Beautiful. There is another way of writing this line. What you can do is you can say count zeros plus equals 1. And what that means is whatever count zeros was, it still is plus 1. Okay, so that's a shorthand way of writing count zeros equals count zeros plus 1. Let's run the tests. Boom, 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 boom. Awesome. I like that. Okay, I'm liking these speed runs. I like the loops. The loops are good. It means I can do lots of powerful computing type stuff with very few lines of code. Sum of factorials. Oh gosh. In mathematics, the factorial of an integer n is direct. Yes, I got that. So for a given integer n, calculate the sum of the factorials. Haha, only use one for loop. Okay, I think I can do this. Okay, I'm going to do it from scratch. So n is equal to int input. Okay, and then so for I in range, I'm going to call this sum of factorials. Sum of factorials equals 1. Yeah, because it's going to start from 1, right? I believe. And then I'm going to start from 2. And it's going to go up to n plus 1, I believe. Start from 2, go up to n plus 1. Yeah, I think so, because it's non-inclusive. Now my sum of factorials is going to equal. Okay, I think I might need I might need a factorial function. So factorial is going to equal 1 as well. I'm going to do it in 2 steps and then see if I can simplify it. So factorial equals 1, sum of factorials equals 1. I might just set that to 0 and see what I need to do. So if I do my factorial again, so factorial going to equal whatever factorial is times whatever n is, right? And then, not n, so I use I in my counter. Then my sum of factorials is going to equal, going to have to plus equal. Okay, so it's sum of factorials equals sum of factorials plus factorial. Yeah, and then I think that's it. Remember to output my sum of factorials. Yeah, so here I calculate the factorial each time, and then here I add them together. Yeah, I think that hopefully that'll work. I don't know. Oof. Teacher's input 1, your output 0. Ah, okay. Equals 1. Boom. And there we go. Bob's your uncle. Okay, so I'm going to copy that just in case I need to use it again. So we started at 4.7. So we did 4.7, 4.8. See if I do the next two in this speed run. Oh no. Okay, that's it.